If you're walking home and see this girl with a face like this outside your house, run away immediately.
But seriously, what's happening with her, bro? I'm really scared.
But hey, if you think this cat is adorable, don't forget to like and subscribe. And look at this poor puppy, abandoned by its owner, now starving and lonely. If you're a kind person, drop a sad emoji in the comments, and share this video with your 3 true friends. May Jesus bless your family for your kindness. So, why does this girl have a face like that? It looks terrifying and dangerous, but in reality, it's just an edited video.